Adam with Protection Design Concepts. Today we're going to take the Safariland holster and we're going to take the QLS off and we're going to replace it with the rapid holster mount KLS, the core locking system from Kore Essentials, right? So I'm going to get everything prepped here. First thing I need to do is I need to take my 3mm Allen key and get the Safariland QLS off. I want to preface the fact that I like both products. Similar price points, around $52 for the QLS, $49.95 for the Kore KLS. I like the KLS because it's got a 1,000-pound rating. It's got a dual locking feature, but I would be confident in running both of these systems with this holster, right? So this holster is going to be for the July giveaway. The customer will still have the option to put the QLS on, but like I said, I'm going to represent with the Kore mount. Might as well have a Kore KLS on it. So finish getting these off. You know, anytime you have Allen keys or screws, whether this was your belt or whether it's with your holster, again, always recommend that you use the appropriate Loctite once you get it fashioned. So that's done. That's easy. We can throw that to the side. We won't need it. All right. So again, with the KLS system, it's going to come in the packaging with the male and female end already engaged, right? So you take the locking feature off, pop this out, you're good to go. Obviously, your female side is your belt side. Your male side goes on the holster like so. Made for a bunch of different holster configurations. It's all set up for you. It comes with the thread all. I am not going to do that in this installation today. The reason I'm not going to do that is because, again, I want the customer to be able to choose whether they want the QLS back on, whether they want the KLS, or a little combination of both. The other thing that you're not going to see in this video is you're not going to see me attach the female side to the Kore mount until we figure out what that looks like. So as anything with Kore, all you have to do is scan the QR code here. It's going to come up with a complete list of instructions if you don't know how to assemble or whatnot. So we'll put the mount on, we'll line our holes up. Pretty simple, right? So it's going to go in the pattern here. You see how you got the wider configuration. It's going to go in the second configuration. You do not need the spacers. You do not need the female receiver. All you need for this is the appropriate size screws, which again come with the packaging. So we're going to go ahead and get that started. This is going to be a not straight, but a Phillips screwdriver. So we're going to get the Phillips screwdriver out here if we can find it. All right, there we go. Sorry about the delay there. And again, I'm just going to start them all. When the customer determines what they want, I will back these screws back out and put the all thread on there. It's the blue all thread, so simple, right? So this will eventually come in a 2-pack where I believe they're going to offer the 2-pack of the male receivers, so you can have the males on multiple holsters. You'll have the female on your appropriate mounting system, and then you can run your battle belt configuration or your range belt or your duty belt. You can run that appropriately. So as you see, kind of what it was before, what it was now, no degradation in the angle, that stays the same. Imagine this is on your receiver, slide it down, lock it in. You got a 1,000-pound rating here. Even if they hit the release button, it's not going to do anything. You got to activate this fail-safe here, and then you got to press the button, and then that's how the holster comes down, right? So anodized metal inside. So just plastic exterior, obviously, a rugged plastic, but the anodized metal gives it that rigidity. Again, I can activate it here and get it out. Once I lock that down, you're going to break the holster first before you ever break this piece of material from Kore Essentials, right? So again, this is great for anybody that has, working constantly in defensive tactics, whether you're an instructor at the academy or whether you're on the street, in an active, active theater with the military, whatever you're doing, and you're worried where the suspect may grab holster, start to engage, or you're just moving in and out of vehicles, you're doing some vehicle close quarter battle, whatever's in your mission set, right? Like, this is a good contextual holster mount for you. Again, love Safariland, love the QRS, love their products, right? But just this is an add-on if you're looking to kind of upfit your game a little bit. So very happy with this product. This has been Adam, Loadout Lab. Remember, get that registration for the July giveaway, www.protectiondesignconcepts.com. What do we do at protectiondesignconcepts.com, right? What do? We provide the gear and equipment for your mission. So I think this mission is complete. Thanks.